11:45 in the afternoon.
It's 1/2 the freckle.
Well, anyway, we woke up brutally today from our neighbor upstairs redoing their floor, and it was going nee like the dentist's office.
They're using jackhammers.
Yeah.
Because they have tile floors. Everybody's got tile floors.
Yeah. So we're on our way to my mom's house early because we're gonna go out for breakfast with her at Cracker Barrel.
Which is almost lunchtime, but okay.
Breakfast, lunch, whatever we want. And then we're gonna go to Wally World, of course, Walmart. And Oscar did not like that sound today. He could not wait to get out of that house. I hope Alice is okay. She didn't seem to be screaming or nothing that it was bothering her, so. They need to give us a heads up next time.
The polite thing to do is say, you know what? We're gonna do some remodeling. It's probably gonna get a little loud.
They start at 10 a.m.
And give us a heads up a day or two in advance. That's what I would do.
Alright, story time. Charlie's allergic to Alice, and he annoys me when he sleeps because he snores and moves around a lot. So usually he sleeps in the living room on the couch, which is fine. But last night he's like, oh, today I want to sleep with you. So I'm like, okay, big mistake. He kept me up all night, bouncing around, snoring, making all this noise, and then he finally leaves, and I'm like, I can finally sleep. Then all of a sudden I hear, nee on the ceiling, which is their floor. Oy.
If I had known that was gonna happen, I would have done that years ago. No, I'm just kidding.
He's annoying. So yeah, I did my hair half up, half down today, and Charlie's wearing my Jaden shirt.
Our Jaden shirt?
Yes, our Jaden shirt, and I have my sweatshirt. We don't share the sweatshirt, but we share the t-shirt.
We specifically got this size so the two of us can wear it.
It's a large. Oh, and I made up my own fake merch. I'm not going to be selling it, but I can show you guys one day what it would look like. I'm thinking of getting the t-shirt just made up for fun, and then Charlie wants a mask that I made up for fun just to have, just for fun.
I kind of like the mask. I don't wear them in public, but...
Yeah, you do sometimes, depending on where we go.
I mean, I had the,
Jade one. You're the food dude.
Do I?
I don't know. But, I made a new emblem that we're going to start using on our videos, or like a logo thing, like a watermark, on our YouTube page now, and on like photos and stuff, with our YouTube and our Instagram, Life with the Marsh Family on Instagram, which will be linked down below. I don't think we should park in the driveway because my mom is going to be pulling out and doesn't like to hit her car.
Okay.
Screenshot. So yeah. Well, since we're at our house, I'm gonna go, and maybe you'll see us at Cracker Barrel or Walmart or somewhere. All right, bye.
Dove.
Say bye.
Bye. Dove.
Hi. We're at Cracker Barrel. Here's Charlie. What are you looking at?
Anesthetic.
He says his head feels like that right now. And he wants to hit himself over the head with that conch himself.
It's an anesthetic.
Yeah.
If anyone's actually thinking about doing that, don't.
So we're here at Cracker Barrel, looking at the menu, and we haven't even ordered yet. And there's my mom. We're still waiting to order our food. So, yeah. I'm getting breakfast, French toast. I'm getting Mama's French toast breakfast, and I have no idea what Charlie's getting. Charlie, what are you getting to eat?
Me too.
What are you getting to eat?
Haddock.
Fish?
Fish.
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 And I have no idea what my mom's getting. Oh yeah, an egg sandwich. Ew. And I'm drinking.
Buttermilk pie for
Your sister told me to do that.
What the heck is buttermilk pie?
It's probably like buttermilk pudding in a pie form. And then Charlie has regular.
I think it's buttermilk crust.
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
We're gonna order soon. Bye. Got our food. Eggs, casserole, French toast. Charlie's, I stole a piece of carrot already. And then there's my mom's dish. Way down there. Hi down there. Hi, welcome back. It's me, Katie, Oscars, and Charlie. And right now we're going into that pizzeria, right? I don't know if you can see it right there, to get pizza.
Takeout only.
Yep.
They have like 9 tables.
We're gonna get a white cheese pizza with spinach and some pastries. And Oscar's gonna sit in the car. I'm gonna go inside, pick the pastries, and come right back. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna bring it to my mom's house and enjoy it. So see you guys in a little while. Bye.
Bye.
Hi. I forgot to show the pizza because we ate so fast, and the pastries, we love them all except for this one cake. And now I have this for a snack. Black olives and cucumbers in a balsamic vinaigrette. Yummy, yummy. Hi, good morning. Sorry, I look like a mess. I woke up like 2 hours ago, I think. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock and I woke up at 7. That was a few hours ago. Yeah, I'm getting ready to shower. I just made my bed. Charlie's with our neighbor Q. He needed Charlie to drive him to Walmart. And then when he gets back, me and him are going to Walmart. Excuse me. I said Walmart. Walmart. Yikes. So I'm going to shower and get ready for that. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm wearing today. I'm still in my nightgown. I need to choose what I'm going to wear today. Don't mind my messy closet. Yeah, it's kind of disorganized, but that's okay. What shirt am I gonna wear today? Might wear this one. Just made the bed, but I just realized I forgot to tuck something in. Okay, upstairs right now. Upstairs there. Sorry, it's a little dark. They're working on the floor and stuff. So that's why we hear a lot of hammering and stuff the last few days. They woke us up yesterday at 7 a.m. I think it was. Yeah. And that was pretty annoying. And Charlie got a little mad about that. But what are you gonna do? You know? We can't like yell at them because they have a construction crew and I don't think they speak English. I saw them yesterday and I said hi to one of the guys and he said hola. So I don't think he spoke English very well. Yeah. So I'm gonna find what I'm wearing today and get dressed. Well, shower and get dressed. And you'll see me probably after. So see you guys in a little while. Bye. Hi, don't worry, I'm in a towel. I'm trying to dye my hair turquoise again, but it's blue. It's supposed to be this. Semi-permanent hair color. It's supposed to be this. Turquoise. But look at my hair, look how blue it is. I have no idea, and even my nails are blue. But I'll scrub it off later in the shower when I'm done with sitting. I have to wait 25 minutes. Alexa, how many more minutes?
You have 17 minutes left on your 25-minute timer.
Got 17 minutes left on my 25-minute timer. So I'm gonna go and sit and wait, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Bye. Hi, this is my hair results. I could have did the top a little more, but that's okay. This is the color. You really can't see it very well on camera. It looks kind of yellowy up here, but it's not. It's bluish green. This doesn't do it justice. It looks better in person. I like it. I'm happy. I'm going to go watch TV and then go to bed because it's after midnight. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Charlie's sleeping, so he's not going to end this vlog with me, but I'm going to end it now, and you'll see us next time. Bye. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Bye.